In this video, you'll learn how to buy Ethereum using MoonPay. By following the steps outlined, you'll be able to complete your purchase efficiently and understand the process involved. Start by navigating to the MoonPay website. You can do this by entering the URL into your web browser. Once the page loads, look for the main interface where you'll find options to buy and sell various cryptocurrencies. Next, locate the button labeled Buy. This is usually prominently displayed on the homepage. Clicking on this button will redirect you to the section dedicated to purchasing cryptocurrencies. After that, select the option that says Buy Crypto. This will take you to a new screen where you can choose the specific cryptocurrency you wish to. Once this appears, look for the option labeled Select Assets. Clicking this will allow you to choose from a list of available cryptocurrencies. Then click on the section that says Popular Tokens. This will display a selection of commonly traded cryptocurrencies, including Ethereum. Now find and click on Ethereum. This action will confirm your selection and prepare the interface for you to input the amount you wish to purchase. At this point, type in the amount of Ethereum you want to buy. Ensure that the amount is within your budget and check the current market price to avoid any surprises. Next, click on Continue with Ethereum. This will take you to a confirmation screen where you will review your order details before finalizing the purchase. After reviewing your order, click on Confirm Order. This step is crucial as it ensures that you are ready to proceed with the transaction. Now, click on the Buy button. This action will initiate the payment process and prompt you to select your preferred payment method. Then, click on Pay With. This will present you with different payment options available for purchasing. A message will appear asking you to choose how to pay. Review the options provided to determine the most suitable method for your transaction. Click on Apple Pay if you wish to use this method. Alternatively, you can choose to pay with a debit card or a credit card based on your preference. If you select debit card, the interface will guide you through entering your card details, make sure your card is supported and has sufficient funds. If you choose credit card, similar steps will follow as with the debit card. Ensure that your card information is entered accurately to avoid transaction errors. A message will display the total amount to pay. This confirmation is important to ensure you are aware of the costs involved before proceeding. Next, click on Deliver To. This step allows you to specify the wallet address where your purchased Ethereum will be sent. Ensure that the address is correct. Finally, click on Pay. This will complete your purchase, and a confirmation message will appear shortly after, indicating that your transaction is being processed. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.